Good morning, good day, dear students of Samarkand State University of Veterinary Medicine, Livestock and Biotechnologies. So, this is our first lecture on strategic management. I'm Ulug'bek Xudayberdiyev from the Department of Economics and Management. Today, we will cover the introduction to strategic management and focusing on its meaning, specific aspects, and management cycle. So, this is like an essential presentation introduced for future leaders in agriculture, veterinary, and biotech. We will explore foundation concept to help apply them in real Uzbek context like a farm management. So we have an outline here. It's our roadmap. The first, the content of essence of strategic management. The second, its distinctive features. And the third, the management cycle and constructive technology. And by the end, how organizations like our local farms and thrive strategically. Then we have learning objectives by our goal today, defining strategic management and its importance, like understanding core elements and features, and specific, and exploring the process cycle and learning constructive technologies. And this aligns with the careers, strategic planning for disease and the detection in crops of livestock and biotech. So, meaning of the essence of the strategic management. What is strategic management? This slide defines it. Strategic management is a process. It's a process of setting goals, analyzing competitive environments, assessing internal capabilities, and implementing strategies for long-term objectives. And it emphasizes long-term direction, competitive advantage, and adaptability. For example, we can see Apple continuously innovating to maintain. Apple innovates relentlessly to lead markets in our fields, like a veterinary firm might strategize and AI, artificial intelligence for animal health to outpace competitors. So, essence of strategic management. Moving to essence, it integrates, analyzes decision making and action across the organization content and vision daily operations, ensures department align on long-term goals. And keywords we can see the missions, vision, competitive advantage, and sustainability. So next slide. Specific aspects of strategic management. This is you can see the core characteristics, distinctive features. This future oriented and proactive based on environmental analysis and forecasting, and balancing short-term performance and sustainability. It's continuous dynamically, and this means forecasting droughts or tech disruption early. So then levels of strategy. Here we can see the strategies operate at levels like corporate overall direction, like a university expanding, biotech, programs and the business we can see competing in markets, for example low cost vet services. And functional strategy we can see like a department actions like marketing teams, crop disease campaign, and each level supports a whole per wheel and hunger. Then the next slide is challenging and So challenging in specific aspects. It's included uncertainty, rapid change, innovation needs, and coordination and leadership in Uzbekistan, farm space, water scarcity, and strategic management demands flexible responses. So then the management cycle and constructive strategic management technology. This cycle is, we can see the analysis, like internal and external, like a SWOT, PASTEL, and then formulation, goals, alternatives, and implementation, resources, motivation, and evaluation, monitoring, and adjusting. This loops keeps organization agile as a tools like a SWOT analysis, like a strengths, like local with expertise, for example, or PASTEL. You can see this text for disease direction, or Porter's five forces, buyer powers in cooperations. These are constructive tech systems, scientific, and using in data for decision. This is very useful framework, and we can see this purposing here, an example in agribusiness, strengths, technologies, like DL for crop disease, buyers farms cooperations, and power. So, and the constructive strategic management technology here, it uses data analysis, scenario planning, digital tools, encourages collaboration and the feedback for agility. In all AI apps, validate strategies in via confusion metrics and relevant to the research interests. So, and we have a case, like a case study as an example. You can see this in Uzbekistan agriculture, real world in Uzbekistan farms face low productivity, water issues, outdated practices. The response we have, like Uzbekistan agriculture development strategy 2020 and 2030, and the mechanization, investment, diversification, AI tech, for example, like disease detection, analyzing, and result. We have export growth, USAID or AVC linking farms to market, and this exemplifies a cycle and PASTEL analysis to agile implementation. So, as a summary, we can see the meaning proactive goal setting aspects, multi-level with tools, cycling analysis, formulate, implement, evaluate using AI, artificial intelligence, data, and success needs flexibility as in local cases. Then we can see we can have some references here, and I can say for everyone, thank you for paying attention, and if you want to contact me, you can I have an email on the screen. If you have some questions, we will talk in soon and later. Thank you for your work.